Hey, welcome to Yoruba Cinema Legacy TV. Today, it's another movie cover review, and we are reviewing a movie titled Iyawo Alhaji. Yes, Iyawo Alhaji. This is not the same movie that is going on right now by Uyebade Adebimpe. No, I'm not talking about that Iyawo Alhaji. I'm talking about the one that was produced back in 1996, 30 years ago. Oh my God. And I'm thinking the recent Iyawo Alhaji is also based from this story. That's my thought, but I might be wrong. This is an interesting movie. I don't remember watching it, but based on the one that is going on right now, it's the same concept, I believe, but let me know if I'm wrong. And look at the actors back then. These were the actors that acted in there. Do you remember Yinka Salami? I think she was one of the main hero in that movie. Like I said, I never watched it, but if anybody saw this movie, we would appreciate giving an input to what happened in that movie compared to the one we're watching right now. So that movie is about a lady. She had one goal. Her goal was to marry a wealthy Alhaji. And she believes if she does that, that's the end of the world. Money will not be part of our problem, I guess. So that was a goal. You know, if you have a goal, you try to achieve it, and that's exactly what she did. So that's why Iyawo Alhaji, that's where the title came from. So he was to marry a wealthy Alhaji, and comparing it to the one that is recent right now, that one I think I watched on series, is exactly the same thing about a lady. She will not marry Alhaji by all means. But guess what? People don't really succeed doing that because there are so many things to that. You marry an Alhaji, you won't be the only wife, right? And also the other wives will be jealous or something. Yeah. And there'll be troubles in the house. So I would really appreciate if you send this movie before Iyawo Alhaji, so we can compare it with the one that is running now. I think I started in 2025. I would like to compare the story with this one that was done in 1996. I wish the movie was somewhere out there that we can still watch, but one of those things. Hopefully there will be somewhere where we can watch old movies, and full episode of old movies and compare to recent ones. But Iyawo Alhaji, it's a good message for everyone. It talks about greed and desperation for wealth, which can destroy peace. And also, we must learn to know that marriage should not be built on lies or selfish ambition. Yeah, selfish ambition. Is a lot to learn. Both the young and the old can learn from this movie. And like I said, I wish we can see this old movie. But if anyone is out there, you watched the movie back in 1996, please share with us. We will appreciate it. And once again, today's review of a movie cover, Iyawo Alhaji, back in 1996, 80 years ago. Oh my God. It's a lot to learn from it. It's a lot. Secret, betrayal, true character begins to show after marriage. Different lies, Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's review. And stay tuned and subscribe, like, so you can keep seeing reviews for more. And also, very soon, we shall be featuring old movies, even all the way to the one that was done in VHS. And what interests me most is how the actors look back then compared to now. I think it's kind of funny. Yeah, I think it's kind of funny. Iyawo Alhaji is interesting. Again, she thought marrying a rich Alhaji will solve her problems. But what she find inside her house, she never expected her. Movie couple review is something great because we can still learn from the story even if we can't find the movie. As long as they put the summary on the cover, or the summary out there somewhere, or the summary is out there somewhere, we still learn from it. Stay tuned. Alright. See you next time.
Palm wine stain on the table. Old drum resting in the sand. Grandma humming in the courtyard. Future glowing in my head. From my pala to our pockets we rise. Mix the dust and city lights in our eyes. Every rhythm is a story we revise. For the screen, for the dream, for our lives. Hey. Talking drum, gossiping softly. Guitar tracing every move. Young blood dancing in the mirror. Finding brand new ways to groove. From our pala to our flow beats we rise. Mix the dust and city lights in our eyes. Every rhythm is a story we revise. For the scream, for the dream, for our lives. Oh yeah. In the hallway, turn to gold when they align. From our pala to our flow, beats we rise. Mix the dust and city lights in our eyes.